My name is Anirudh Ravi. People at OhmniLabs call me Ani. I'm an account executive here. I take care of most of the telepresence sales and also help out with OmniClean. Formula One. I watch a lot of Formula One races. I love Red Bull. I drink a lot of Red Bull and I watch a lot of races. But if not, I'd be at Topgolf, playing some golf on my own. I'm a damn good actor. I love theater. To be honest, it's my first love. I'm watching a lot of Modern Family. I've never seen it before. But I think my top 3 shows recently, The Boys on Amazon Prime. I love Breaking Bad. I think one of my all-time favorites. And there's this show called Delhi Crime. Teleportation, I guess. If things get wrong, just dip. Big things, small package. Till 8th grade, I was the tallest person in my school. And then I stopped growing. So then I had to face my entire life of being called short. But then that's never stopped me from doing what I wanted to do and being where I wanted to be. So, big things come in small packages.